for exercise 10, we're given the identity that we want to prove, we want to show that the tangent of any angle is equal to the sine value evaluated at that angle over the cosine of the same angle. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take the unit circle, and so let's place our circle on there. Let's draw some arbitrary angle in. Okay, so here's my angle, and I'm going to drop down a vertical line to get a right angle. Okay, now the side links here, this is, we know, the cosine, and we know this top one here is the sine of the angle. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put in there the tangent. Okay, so there's the tangent. And I'm going to extend using, I'm going to extend that line, that angle up, so that we hit up top here at this point. Okay. Now, from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a larger triangle. You can tell that if let's just come down with this line here. Tell that that's a right angle for sure because it's tangent, right? So we've got this base length. So I'm going to draw I'm going to dash along here. You can see that purple rectangle. So essentially I've got the following two rectangles. I got the blue rectangle in there. Let's draw that out. Okay, so there's the right angle. It has a central angle. We'll call it theta. It doesn't really matter. It's arbitrary. So this is cosine theta. This is sine theta. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blow that version, that triangle, up with the purple one. Okay, so that theta is still our angle down there. We've got a right angle, so these are similar triangles. The base length of that purple triangle is 1. The reason for that is because that length is the radius of the unit circle. The height value over here associated with that is the tangent, by definition, is the tangent of the angle. So what we have is the following. So I'll write this down below here. I'll do it in green. I have tangent divided by sine. So let's write that down. Tangent of the angle divided by the sine of the angle is equal to, now I have to stay in order, is equal to 1 over the cosine of the angle. Now if we multiply both sides by sine, no, I should note this. If sine is 0, okay, then I would have an issue with this, right? Because this thing wouldn't have any height value, but neither would tangent. Okay, so if I multiply both sides by sine, I'm going to have tangent of theta is equal to the sine over the cosine. Okay, and so that will hold for any of these angles in here. What you need to be careful with is notice for the domain of tangent that whenever cosine of theta is 0, tangent of theta is undefined, and that's something that we talked about in the last set of videos.